Hey Princeton K, okay, we are going to do our next lesson for today, or if you're doing it on Friday, which I'm doing on Thursday, but you can do whatever day you want, or on Friday, we're doing lesson 5. So the funny thing about lesson 5 is, well, I'll show you first. So lesson 5 looks like this. It is lesson 5 right here. I put tomorrow's date, which is 5-15. If you're doing it on Friday, good job. So 5-15-20. So here's the thing about lesson 5. Lesson 5 is about using shapes to make new shapes, okay? If we were in the classroom, if you remember, we have all of those really colorful, cool shape blocks that we use in our classroom. We would be using those to help us make new shapes. I don't have those at my house. Maybe you might have something like that at your house, which is super cool and awesome, and I hope that you use those. But I don't have anything like that at my house to be able to use for a lesson like this. So I am just going to help you on this worksheet so that we can do it together and we can see that you can use shapes to make new shapes, okay? So this says match each group of shapes on the left with the new shape they make when they are put together. So we have to match these shapes when they're apart to the shapes when they are put together, okay? So one way to do that is by trying to take them apart by using your pen or pencil, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to look at the first set of shapes that are apart, okay? And I'm going to see what I have. So I see that I have, looks like 3 diamonds, and I'm gonna then look at the shapes that I have over here and see, what do I have that could help me make these 3 shapes, okay? So this one over here, is that 3 diamonds right there? No, it's not. So then I have this over here. And I don't think that would be 3 diamonds, because 3 diamonds together wouldn't really make a triangle, okay? So then I look down here and I see, well, I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to draw a line going this way. And I see, okay, there's 1 diamond. That could maybe work. But then I need to try and draw another diamond, and I don't know if it'll work. So now I'm going to draw another line going that way. Do you see 3 diamonds in that one, in this picture right here? Yeah, I don't either, so I don't think that one's going to work. But let's see. Maybe we can try, maybe we can try this one down here. We'll see. I don't know. Let's see if we can make it work. Let's try. I hope I didn't mess this up. If I did, oh well. Maybe that one goes down that way. Princeton K, I think I figured it out. Miss V messed up. Oh boy. Okay, so I messed up, but that's okay because do teachers make mistakes? All the time, all the time. Okay, so for this one, that line doesn't go down that way. It goes this way. So forget that silly line right there. Pretend it's not there. So now we have 1, 2, 3 diamonds. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 diamonds right there. So I'm going to match those 3 diamonds with that diamond. Okay, So there we go. We found one. So now I'm going to go to this one. Where do you think that one's going to go? We have a hexagon and 2 triangles. Where do you think that's going to go? I think I know. Do you see it? Yeah, it's going to go to this one right here, right? Yeah, I have a hexagon and 2 triangles, so I'm going to draw a line to that shape. Okay, now I have for this one right here, I have a trapezoid, a triangle, and a rhombus. Where do you think that one's going to go? Let's see. Let's go to this one, and here I have what looks like a triangle, but we might have to cut it up. So I'm going to, because I think it might be this one. I think this might be the trapezoid and the triangle, because if I were to put this one on top of the trapezoid, I think that might be the right one. So I'm going to put a line right there. What do you think, Princeton K? Yeah, I think that one might go to that one. So I'm going to draw a line to that one, because I think the triangle on top of the trapezoid is the one that goes together. So then this one, let's see if we can cut this one apart, okay? So I have because this one needs a triangle, it needs a trapezoid, and it needs a rhombus. So let's see if we can make this work. It needs a triangle, a rhombus, and a trapezoid. So I think the triangle's on top, so I'm going to cut that one on top right there and draw a line. And then, let's see. Oh, I think I found it. There we go. Okay, so we have a triangle with a line, and then we have our rhombus right here, and then we have our trapezoid right there. Does this match that? Do we have a rhombus, a triangle, and a trapezoid right there? We do, yep. So, I'm going to draw my line. Did we match all of our shapes? We did, yeah. I know this one was a little tricky, Princeton K, especially since we don't have our shapes to touch and to try and mold and to make new shapes. But I hope that helped Princeton K and that we were able to do it together. I hope that we did that together. So, great job, Princeton K. I'm very proud of you. I know that that was a little strange and a little different than what we would probably usually do in the classroom, but I am proud of you nonetheless, and I will see you in our next video. Bye, Princeton K.